Hi, good and amazing people. You're welcome once again. Thanks so much for always tuning in. Our returning viewers, first timers, all our amazing subscribers, you all are highly blessed. In today's tutorial, I want to share with you fast and easiest way to peel beans within 3 minutes. So let's get straight to the point. Meanwhile, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so you get to know when I upload a new video. Thank you. First, I pick out stones and bad particles from the beans. And if you forget to pick out stones from beans, your teeth will greet you in a special way. So next is to transfer the beans in a mortar. No need of soaking it. Add a cup of water or two to cover the beans and then begin to smash it like you're pounding it, but you're not really pounding it, you're just smashing it gently to peel off the back. This method has been the fastest way or method for me to peel beans. Within 3 minutes you are through. So next is to transfer the peeled beans in a bowl. As you can see, it's completely peeled off. So fast and easy. So next is to transfer it in a bowl before I will take it to the sink where I will sieve out the chaff. But please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share for more interesting video. To me, this has been the best method to peel beans, and with this method you can peel a whole bag of beans within few minutes and you won't even get tired. So you see it's completely peeled off, so I'll go ahead and sieve out the chaff so fast and so quick. I will also be showing you tips on how to make your akara fluffy and your moi moi soft and smooth. It all depends on how you peel your beans. So continue watching. This is the beans chaff. We are through washing the beans. Now I will get rid of the chaff and soak the beans in a water for 1 or 2 hours. That way your moi moi or your akara will be fluffy and soft and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.